The results of this crash test were completely as we expected. The new Blazer did very, very well. All of the crash energy was absorbed up front where it should be, and that kept the occupant compartment intact. That meant that the side curtain airbag, the frontal airbag, and the seatbelt could all do their job to protect the occupant. This occupant was going to walk out of this vehicle with very little risk of injury. This vehicle, on the other hand, had massive occupant compartment collapse. All the crash energy couldn't be absorbed in the front, so it had to be absorbed in the occupant compartment itself. That meant there's no room for the dummy's legs, and the instrument panel and the steering wheel came back so hard that it hit the dummy in the head, recording very high injury risk for the dummy's head and neck, and it actually broke the head off the dummy in this crash test. That just shows how much force was involved. The performance of this old Blazer is exactly the type of damage that we were trying to address when we developed this frontal crash test program in the first place. And nowadays, nearly all vehicles perform like the 2026 model, where we can expect people to be able to walk out of that vehicle unharmed.